Hello, I'm Miss Jordi, the Young Adult Librarian at the Headquarters Branch. Thank you for joining me today. To make any type of squishy, you'll need the following. Memory foam. You can use an old memory foam pillow or buy an inexpensive one online or at your local store. Very sharp scissors. Fabric paint in various colors. For this craft, we'll need red, black, and green. Paint brushes. A paper plate or other surface for paint. Wax paper or parchment paper. And if you don't want paint on your hands, you want disposable gloves. The first step is to cut your memory foam pillow into manageable sizes. Then cut a rough version of the shape you want to make with your scissors. For today's craft, you will need to cut out a rectangle. Then cut it into a rough half circle shape. If you would like, you can sketch a half circle shape onto your memory foam before cutting it. If you decided to sketch out your half circle, when you're cutting out your shape, make sure that you cut on the outside of the sketch in order to give you some room to shape up the piece later with small snips of the memory foam. Once you've cut out your shape, use your scissors to cut off little bits until you're happy with your final shape. Next, use the fabric paint and paint brushes to paint your squishy. Before beginning, make sure you cover your workspace in order to protect your furniture. Now start by painting the red center, which will represent the flesh of the watermelon. Once you've painted the red center, now it's time to paint the green edging that represents the rind of the watermelon. Lastly, use your black fabric paint to add the black seeds. Next, you will continue the same process of painting on the other side of your squishy, as well as painting the red center on top. Next, you'll continue painting the outer rind part of your squishy with the green fabric paint. Once you're finished painting, take a sheet of wax paper or parchment paper and set the squishy on it to dry overnight or up to 24 hours. So once you've allowed your squishy to dry overnight or up to 24 hours, now you can enjoy playing with it. And remember that materials used to make the watermelon squishy can be used to make any type of squishy that you would like. Thank you again for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to do this craft. And we look forward to having you back in our branches starting Monday, July 27th. Thank you again. Bye-bye.